I have talked quite a bit about my experience using Memrise and Duolingo on my YouTube channel here, but which of these language learning applications is the best? Well, let's start with what I don't like about Duolingo. One thing about Duolingo that still gets on my nerves today is the learning path. Now, this was updated around May of 2022, and they created just one single path that you could follow. I really don't like how rigid this is. Although I'm adjusting now to the new singular learning path, I wish there was another course or still another way that we could jump around and not have to follow this singular path. I want to be able to learn French at my own pace, but with this singular path, I'm not really able to do that. Although we do have the spaced repetition feature, that still feels fairly slow to me at times. There are just some phrases that I don't have to see over and over and over again. I also don't like that we have to pay for a subscription like Super Duolingo to have access to the mistakes review. That should definitely be free. I have no idea why we would have to pay for something like that, especially since we are making mistakes normally when we are, completing a lesson, right? So I would want to be able to review all those mistakes every single day without paying. Okay, before moving on, one thing you should know is that besides using Duolingo and Memrise, there are other resources that you can use to learn Spanish effectively and in a fun way, like songs, podcasts, and YouTube channels. And they will improve your language skills a lot. Check out my new Spanish resource kit that has over 60 of these types of resources. It is linked down below in the description box. Now, with Memrise, what really drives me up a wall is the lack of context. So, of course, I'm able to learn a lot of new words and phrases that I think are everyday French phrases that will help me sound more native-like. I still find it quite difficult to memorize everything, and the exercises that you do within the course I think are still pretty helpful, but if there was more context, I would be able to remember things a lot better. For example, if there were Duolingo stories or something similar to Duolingo stories where I'm able to see all this vocabulary in a story, that would help me be able to actually use them in sentences, because right now I'm just memorizing a lot of words and phrases, right? But I don't know exactly how to connect all these words and phrases. This leads me to my next complaint about Memrise, which is the lack of explanation of grammar. Now, what I'm not saying is that I only want to be focusing on grammar for 20 minutes and Memrise. No, that is not what I'm saying at all. But I wish there was just a little bit more explanation. I don't know if you can tell yet, but one thing I really value about a language learning application is its ability to help me to communicate in a language and to help me communicate verbally. And that's because when I was learning to speak Spanish, I found it incredibly difficult because I was very confused and I had no idea where the words and the phrases were supposed to go. So learning basic sentence structure is very, very important to me. In this case, Duolingo does a lot better job with helping me understand how to create sentences. Apart from the questions in the Duolingo lessons, the unit guidebooks have also been very helpful for me to understand French sentence structure. Learning how to pronounce French vocabulary is way better in Memrise because in Memrise, you have these short little videos where you have native speakers saying the vocabulary. In Duolingo lessons, the pronunciation of the vocabulary sounds a lot more robotic. So I don't get to learn or hear more naturally sounding French. All right, after taking into consideration all the positives and the negatives of these applications, I think I have to go with Duolingo. Duolingo is the better language learning application. Now, before you start throwing tomatoes at your phone screens and your computers in disagreement, what you should know is that this is only my opinion based off my experience using both of these applications. So what I'm not saying is that Duolingo is always going to be better than Memrise for every single language learner. I'm not saying that at all because I think you will have to come to your own conclusion on which of these language learning applications is better. And in fact, I would love to know what is your opinion. Let me know in the comment section below if you think Duolingo is better than Memrise or Memrise is better than Duolingo. But honestly, although I do say Duolingo is better than Memrise, they are kind of hard to compare because Memrise is more of a flashcard app, while I see Duolingo more as a more comprehensive course. Even though Memrise, you're going through a course as well, but I still just see it more as flashcards. If you want to hear more about my opinions on language learning applications, watch this next video. Hasta luego y a bientôt.